Dear students, in our last video we learned alphabets. Now today we are going to play a game of alphabets. What you have to do is you have to tell the first letter of the given picture showing on your screen. अजीज़ तलबा, इस खेल में आपको करना यह है कि स्क्रीन पर नज़र आने वाली तस्वीर का पहला लेटर यानी हर्फ बताना है. So let's the game begin. What is the first picture you can see on your screen?
The first picture is of tap.
Very good. So, can you please tell me what is the first letter of tap?
The first letter of tap is T.
Great. The next picture is of a cup. So, can you please tell me from which letter the word cup starts?
The word cup starts with C.
Great. The next picture is of a goat. So what is the first letter of the word goat?
The first letter of the word goat is G.
Very good. So we can now move to the next picture. There is a balloon in a picture. So can you please tell me the first letter of the balloon?
The first letter of the balloon is B.
Very good. You are doing great. So the last picture is of hen. So can you please tell me what is the first letter of hen?
The first letter of hen is H.
Very good. I hope you enjoyed the game. Thank you.